Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WPA3 on your router for smart home security. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate WPA3 on your router for enhanced smart home security, begin by ensuring your router supports WPA3. Next, connect your computer or smartphone to your router's network. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. This address is typically found on the back of your router or in the user manual. Enter the username and password to access the router settings. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. Look for the section that lists security options or wireless security. If there is an option for WPA3, select it. If WPA3 is not available, check if a firmware update is needed. If an update is available, download and install it per the manufacturer's instructions. After the update, return to the wireless security settings. Choose WPA3 from the list of security protocols. You may need to adjust the encryption settings to match your devices. Once selected, save your changes and exit the router settings. Restart your router to ensure the new settings take effect. Reconnect your smart home devices to the network. Verify that your devices are connected using WPA3. Using WPA3 can greatly enhance the security of your smart home network. Regularly check for firmware updates to maintain security. Ensure that all devices are compatible with WPA3 for optimal protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.